Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making for you guys the basic red sauce. So first things first is pan. Going to let my pan heat for some time, adding oil. Now I'm going to add in chopped onions. When they turn slightly pink is when you need to add the garlic. Now is a good time for me to add the garlic. This smell of olive oil, onion and garlic is truly orgasmic. Literally an orgasm right there. Okay, now that the garlic is slightly brown, nicely toasted, I am going to add in the tomato puree. So what I'm going to do now after adding the tomatoes are just going to let this simmer on medium-high heat for about 20 minutes. Just leave it for 20 minutes, let it simmer and then come back to it. So guys, this has been simmering for about 20 odd minutes and it smells amazing. So the thing about a good tomato sauce is that the tomatoes should cook on low heat for a long time with your onion and garlic, because the sauce then turns out to be something else entirely. Now in this, what I'm going to do is, if you have the time guys, I would say to cook this for another 20 to 25 minutes more on low flame, because then the flavor would be really good. Now adding some dried oregano, some chili flakes, salt and some cracked black pepper. If you have fresh herbs, use fresh herbs because there's nothing like fresh ingredients. But if you don't have fresh herb, dried oregano will also work just fine. I am going to throw in some fresh parsley that I have. And your red sauce is ready guys. So there you have it, the basic red sauce. Now you can use this on a pizza base, you can use this on your pastas, lasagna, spaghetti, add chicken, add vegetables, do a normal stir fry in a red sauce. It's all good. Thank you so much for watching guys. Do not forget to try this and do comment in the comment section below if you want me to make a particular recipe. Till then, you will take care, you will comment, you will like and you will subscribe to Desi Bites, and I'm going to see you in another episode. Till then, hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making for you guys stir-fried chicken in oyster sauce. First things, heat oil in a pan. So first I'm going to take a whole red chili and now sliced onion for this. Not chopped, sliced onion. Once the onions have turned a little pink, drop in your garlic. Then I'm going to throw in the carrots, some beans, and some bell peppers. Now things become easier if you have a Chinese wok to toss it, but if not, that's fine. In goes in my shredded chicken pieces. As you can see, they are also cut in juliennes. Once the chicken is in, put in the seasonings. Cracked pepper, salt, little bit of sugar, that was vinegar, little bit of soy. Then you put in oyster sauce, which you get in the market. Just add a decent amount of oyster sauce. Toss all of that well with the chicken. So if you want this to be semi-dry with a little bit of a gravy in it, what I'm going to do now is I have some corn flour with me. I'm just going to add some corn flour to it slowly so it becomes a little. See, that's how it becomes this thick. So this is done and now I'm going to pour this in my plate. Such a simple recipe. As usual, I'm going to garnish it with some spring onion. And your stir-fried chicken and oyster sauce is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Desi Bites. And I will see you soon in another episode. Take care y'all. See you. Try this at home. It's a very easy recipe. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a mocktail called Orange Lime Relaxer. For those of you who haven't heard of this before, it's a classic mocktail. So for this, I will need 20 ml of lime juice. It goes inside my cocktail shaker. 1 part or 200 ml of orange juice and 1 part or 200 ml of lemonade. It's pretty easy, very simple. It's really refreshing because it's got a lot of citrus in it. Vitamin C as well. Put in the shaker and so now I'm just going to add a couple of lime wedges to the glass before I pour my orange lime relaxer into it. Really refreshing drink. For those hot summer days, this is the perfect mocktail. Cheers everyone. It's really refreshing. I hope you like this. Please try this at home. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode and another easy recipe. Till then, take care everyone. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making basic cheese omelette. I'm going to make my omelette with 3 eggs because the more the merrier. Some salt, just basic seasoning. If you want, you can add herbs, green chilies, and this is some white pepper. And now grated cheddar. I'm just going to mix some in it and some I'll put when the omelet's being cooked. There'll be double cheese. You beat the eggs nicely. Some olive oil in the pan. Let the oil heat a little bit in the pan for about half a minute on medium-high flame. And I'm going to pour my egg mixture. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to add some cheese on top as well so it melts in with the egg. you're adding a lot of cheese, make sure you don't put a lot of salt because cheese itself has salt and then your omelette will end up being extra salty and you don't want that. As you can see, I've used a little deep dish so that the omelette gets a little thick and fluffy. Cook this for maximum 5 minutes. You'll see it. Once the bottom is cooking and the layer on top gets nicely cooked and the cheese melts. I've switched off the heat and now I'm just going to let it rest for about half a minute to 45 seconds so that it cooks through. It already has at the bottom, just letting the cheese probably melt on top and it being just slightly runny on the top as a classic French omelette. You can see it's slightly runny but not raw. The cheese has blended in with the egg just fine. Classic cheese omelette. As you can see, it's got a nice toasted color, the perfect breakfast and a good consistency. It's nice and fluffy as well. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode with another fun recipe. Till then, you take care. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making grilled chicken skewers with a red wine sauce. For this I have taken chicken breasts which have been sliced and put up on skewers. I've then marinated this with olive oil, black pepper, salt, chili flakes and rosemary. Now, you don't really have to add rosemary, you can add any herb that you have. You can use fresh herbs or you can use dried up herbs. So salt, pepper, herbs, chili flakes and olive oil. That's about it. Let's start with making the sauce first. For the sauce, we have bottled barbecue sauce that you get in the market. So I've taken some of that, add that to the pan. So this barbecue sauce, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some red wine to this. Just a little bit of red wine, glossy, give it a very good flavor with the wine. So now I'm going to put my sauce. I just put this in a glass because it's easier to pour it out. You can use the same pan because you're putting the sauce on top of the chicken anyway, so it's alright if you use the same pan. Now in this, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Pan heat up. Then I'm going to add my chicken skewers one by one. Guys, this next recipe is grilled chicken skewers in red wine sauce. This is going to take 10 to 12 minutes to get done to perfection. I'm cooking it on a slow flame so that they cook through nicely. And since I'm using chicken breast, it will cook faster than chicken leg would have cooked. This is it guys, a very easy recipe to execute. So try it and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I will see you in another episode. Till then, let's take care. See you.